Hi, my name is Nhyira Premium, the managing partner here at Premium Education Hub. Over the last decade, my partners and I have leveraged the power of technology, providing teaching materials to students studying for the ICA, ACCA, and helping molding and providing them with a mentorship that is required for them to pass the examination. Now, in this second phase of our organization and making sure that we provide students with the best experience, we are launching the Nhyira Premium Alumni Podcast. This is the show where we are bringing some of our past students who are today successful, doing a lot of great things, for them to share their experience, their journey, and provide the next generation with some blueprints so they can become successful. Our goal in this second phase of our organization is to help students pass the examination in record time. We don't believe in doing this in 10 years. We don't believe in taking 5 years to do this. There is an exact blueprint that you have to use in order for you to pass the examination. And if you're a follower of my work, one of the things that I talk about a lot is the power of learning from other people. Because if you want to do something, you want to find out how other people were able to do it, what are the challenges that they encountered, how they dealt with the challenges, so that then gives you the leverage to be able to avoid those things and know what you have to do in order for you to become successful. And so make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Nhyira Premium. This podcast is going to be released on YouTube as well as on all our other platforms, wherever you get your podcast from. Just search for Nhyira Premium. The goal is to bring these people on to share their life, their vulnerabilities, their experiences, and most importantly, how they navigated all of the challenges that they encountered so that you can use record time, leveraging their knowledge, leveraging their experience, leveraging on their recommendations to be able to pass the examination and take your life to the next level. Listen, I believe this exam should not be difficult. I don't think you should write the exam over and over again, because if you know what to avoid, how to study, what you're supposed to look out for, and how you are supposed to do your things, I can guarantee you can go to the exam or in each examination night, write the exam with confidence and pass, but most importantly, finish this in record time. Remember, the most expensive commodity in the world is time. So if you can take 2 years or a year to finish your professional qualification program and move on to something else, that will be better. And that is why we are bringing these people on the podcast to help us answer some of the questions that you guys have, but most importantly, share their story with you so you'll be inspired to keep going on this journey and do it in record time. So that is what the Nhyira Premium Alumni Podcast is about. Make sure you stay connected. Every week we are going to be releasing a new show where we will have a new guest on the show to share his or her life experience, stories, and inspire you to dream and continue with this journey so you can also become successful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the episodes.